Hey guys, this is Maria from freesocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create animated text on Instagram stories. Adding animated text into your Instagram stories is a great way to grab people's attention. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and find the Hypetext app. Click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Now you can use the already prepared background, upload a visual from your camera roll, or take a photo or record a video. So if you decide to upload a visual from the gallery, tap the album icon, select an image, and hit the arrow icon in the top right corner. Now you can choose the text style or effect. After that, double tap the screen and type in your own text or use the text that the app suggests you. Press on the check mark. Keep in mind that you can change your text font and color. Once your text is ready, hit the check mark icon in the upper right corner. Click on the share icon at the bottom. Select the stories option. Now the only thing left to do is to upload the story post. So tap the Send To button and share it on your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create animated text on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freesocial.com.